everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White can win this, and black pawns are going downward in this direction and white pawn is going forward in this direction. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, the scariest thing about this position is the pawn on g2 is just one move away from queening, right? So that is our main problem in this position. So I said it's white to play and win, and you may just start playing rook takes h4 check, and that looks nice. But the thing in this position, black can play the only legal move, b4 check, and it comes with check, meaning we have to move the king, and whenever we move the king, black would just promote new queen, and this is just game over for us. So we can't win this position, and this is losing for white. That is the main problem, and we can't give a check currently because black would just push, give us a counter check and make us move, and we can't even just take this because black would just capture with a pawn, and once again we have to move and we can't catch the pawn, and this is dead losing position for white. So that is the first problem, and you may just try to move to g1 g5, and that is actually the correct move, but the idea is kind of different. So in this position, you are attacking black's rook, and you are attacking black's pawn, and currently black can't promote because we just capture that. So in this position, the best move for black is to push the h pawn to h3 and protect the pawn. So the pawn is protected, and these pawns are really close to the promotion, right? Black is getting another queen, and what do you do in this position? If you just push this pawn, black would just move away, and you may just capture this, and now in this position black can't promote because this is just checkmate. You may say this is a brilliant idea, well, pushing this pawn is the correct move, but in this position black can't see all of this, right? Black can play to a3, you capture, black is not going to promote. Black can play king to a2, and black lets you to capture the other pawn. But after black plays to b1, king to b1, what do? You don't have anything, right? Your pawn is going in this direction, and this is just defended by the king. You don't have anything to do, so you may just attack the black's pawn, but one of these pawns are going to be a queen, right? So that is the main problem, and you are losing in this position if black finds the best moves. So that is the main drawback of pushing the pawn, and pushing the pawn is not the solution. So in this position, the correct move is to play rook to g4 check, but that doesn't make black to push the pawn, the b5 pawn to b4 and give us check. Well, that is right, but now we can just move to c4, and now we are just covering black's king, and black's king is just trapped and can't move. So in this position, previously when we move the king here in this position, if we just straight take the pawn, black would just block, and we have to move to c4, but black would just promote. But in this variation, when we play to g5, and when we play to g4 check. Now black can't promote because we are still defending the g1 square, right? So if black promotes, we just take and capture all of these pawns, and we are going to come up with our own attacks. So that makes black to lose the game, right? So that is the idea of this puzzle. So in this position we move to c4, and black is not going to promote, right? Black is going to push the h pawn to h2, and in this position we don't take and let black promote. Instead we are going to play rook to d3. Well, what is the purpose of this move? Well, in this position black has no moves. Literally black has to push this pawns or this pawn, but pushing this pawn to queen is going to make a lot of sense, but we are going to play rook to a3. That is why we play rook to g3, and this is nearly checkmate if it wasn't for this pawn, right? So the pawn is going to just capture the rook, and that is the only legal move, and we push, give a check, and that is going to be just checkmate. So that is the idea, and that is what we are going to do, and this is the solution of the puzzle. So for a recap, first we are going to play rook to g5. So black can't promote. Black may push and defend the g2 pawn, but we are going to play rook to g4 check, and black's only move is to push the b pawn to b4, and now we are going to play king to c4. So in this position black may just push the h pawn and try to promote one of the pawns, but that doesn't matter. We are going to play rook to g3, and checkmate in just 2 moves is going to happen, right? This is going to be a checkmate, and if black in this position, if black pushes this pawn, preventing the rook from going to a3, that is going to be the same. It's going to be just checkmate in just 2 moves, right? So this is the solution, and if black just try to promote, we sacrifice the rook, and that traps the king perfectly. We push, give a check, and that is checkmate. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe the channel. I will upload similar chess puzzle videos like this with a detailed explanation, and every variation has touched and explained. So that is what I do on YouTube. You can subscribe and watch my YouTube videos. I will see you next video. Bye.